So in this quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can apply the dynamic zoom effects on the video. It's a very effective filter so for the video that you have been editing. So it will be providing a very good look. So all you need to do is just simply open the Davinci Resolve software and import the video files over the timeline of which you want to apply this effect. Now just simply select the video clip for that you want to apply the effect. For example, if I select this one, now you can see the effect panel has been enabled, and here only you can see this option of dynamic zoom. Just simply enable this, and once you do that, just expand this by clicking over there. Now you can see the dynamic zoom has been enabled. You can make changes to that as well just by clicking over there, and you can enable this dynamic zoom. Now you can see the starting and the ending position. The green one is starting position for this video, and the red one is the ending position. Now if I play the video clip, you can see the
After
video
reaching the
has
location,
been effect
officials
with
asked the
added with the
employees to
dynamic zoom effect. You can see the video has been zooming out as per the video moves on. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.